Want to send SMS messages without spending a dime? Get ready to discover how to potentially send free SMS messages using Messagebird. First, head over to Messagebird's website. We need to explore their pricing plans and see if they offer a free tier or any promotional credits for new users. Look carefully for terms like free trial, free credits, or developer sandbox access. Be sure to carefully read the fine print so you understand the parameters of what may be free. If a free option exists, sign up for an account. You may need to provide basic information like your name, email address, and phone number. Be sure to verify your email address and phone number like the site may require so that you may have full access to the service. Next, navigate to the Messagebird dashboard. This is where you'll typically find your API keys or other credentials needed to connect to their SMS service. Locate the API keys or any necessary authentication tokens. Keep these details safe. Access and read over their documentation to understand how to integrate the Messagebird API. Now, composing your free message is easy within the Messagebird platform. Find the section for sending SMS messages. Make sure to provide the recipient's phone number in the to field, then type your message in the content area. Finally, be aware of any limitations. If you're using a free tier, there might be restrictions on the number of messages you can send, the regions you can send to, or the features available. Always carefully review Messagebird's terms and conditions to be certain you understand the scope of your free account.